Hello, baby. How are you? Why are you crying? What is your problem? Ooh, sus. Why are you mad? What makes you cry? My baby, what is your problem? Wow! Oh, action! 1, 2, 3, go! Trying, trying, the beautiful baby. Do not make pakialam. Okay? Niña, what is your problem? Niña, are you hungry? Do you like to sleep? Do you like to go to sleep? Sungit naman yung baby mo. Ha? Swiper! No swiper! Swiper! No swiper! Wag kang lalapit! Swiper! Swiper! Wag kang lalapit! Oh, may nauntog yung ulo mo. Antok ka eh. Kawawa naman si Niña. Kawawa naman si Niña. Kawawa naman si Niña. Iniwan ni mama niya. Kawawa naman. Kawawa naman si Ate Libay. Kawawa naman may sugat si Ate Libay. Pakita natin ang sugat ni Ate Libay. Oh. Ano po ang sugat po? Ang sakit-sakit. Aray ko po. Ang sakit-sakit po ng sugat ni Ate Libay. No, kawawa si Ate Libay. Nahihirapan kargayin yung mabigat na yan. Yung 10 kilong bata na yan. Sobra-sobra ang bigat. Na. Swiper, wag kang lalapit! Swiper, wag kang lalapit! Oh. Bye-bye, Niña. Bye-bye. Bulagay. Smile. Smile. Smile ka na, please. Mag-smile ka na. Oh, little boy. Mag-smile na yan, little boy na inaantok. Bye-bye, Niña. Bye-bye. Bye-bye ito. Bye-bye. 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 Oh, galit na galit. Tatay ka na naman. Tatay ka. Tatay na naman daw siya. Okay, tatay na. Good morning, bye-bye. Good morning. Yeah. Where's your teeth? Oh, where's your teeth? Wala? Where's your teeth? Where's your teeth? Sleepy? Are you sleepy? Nahihiya na siya. Bye-bye na daw. Bye-bye.